What all are we going to bring on our vacation to Sturgis for 2 weeks? What all needs to go on the bike? Let's find out. Welcome back to the show. I'm Jim. Today we're in the beautiful biker studio and we're getting ready for our big run to Sturgis. This week we're going to be gone for 2 full weeks. This is the longest we've gone at one time. We've gone about a week and a half before, but 2 weeks is a little different. So a lot of stuff we need to bring, but we're both going to be on one motorcycle, no trailer, no chaser cars, nothing like that. So you got to pack a little strategic. The bike we're taking, we have a 2019 Harley Electra Glide Classic, Ultra Classic. So you know, you got the hard saddlebags, you got the tour pack, so it's got some space to store things. We're gonna demonstrate what we're bringing from the saddlebags, work our way on up. So starting with the saddlebag, we got these nice little liner bags that drop right in. I'm gonna show you what I got in mind. So, socks, underwear, more socks, one pair of blue jeans, more of the underwear type stuff, a shirt, deodorant, toothpaste, Neosporin. That's it. Don't bring all your clothes. This is a good time to go through your old socks and underwear, because as you use them, throw them away. It's going to make more room in the bag. If you're wanting to buy shirts or stuff along the way, you have room for that. Don't bring several pairs of blue jeans and a bunch of shirts, because it's just not necessary. Especially if you're going to buy things along the way. Find something you like and buy it, and throw it in the bag. And like I said, throw away the socks and underwear. Need to purge through it every now and then anyways. So that's going to be saddlebag. The missus is going to have one very similar. We're not going to go through her stuff. She's a lot more bashful than me. Alrighty, so tour pack. Here we go. I always wear gloves, so it won't really be in it, but that is a tour pack item. I wear gloves. I wear long sleeve shirts. I live in Texas. I sweat all the time. I tried the let's wear short sleeves once on a road trip and got roasted, hot, burnt, miserable. And there's a reason why the old cowboys wear these denim shirts, these Wrangler type. Protects you from the sun. As you sweat, it'll actually cool you down. To each their own. I'm not telling you what to do, but I can't go without it. Rain gear. So this is the full suit. I keep a little fire extinguisher, especially we're going out west. Everything's on fire. Might be a good thing to have. If my bike caught on fire or somebody else had a fire, maybe I can be a hero. Half a quart of oil, just in case, right? Tire repair kit. So plug up tires. The person I'm riding with, he's going to have the air compressor, so I didn't need to carry both. Bug spray. I hear it's really bad up there right now, so bring your bug spray. All kinds of potions. Sunscreen, very important. More sunscreen, different types. Lip balm. What else? Some aloe vera. I burn, so I like to try to protect myself as much as I can. And after I'm done, I put the aloe vera, so maybe it'll slow things down a little bit. Getting too miserable. like to try to keep things a little organized in the tour pack, so I use these ammo cans, and that's more rain gear, little first aid kit, part of my tool collection. This is just the Allen wrenches, more first aid, a knife, can't have too many of them, tissues, why not? Out here. Been a little mild this year, so spending the last few days sweating it out, getting used to it. It's going to be a hot ride. What's in this one? Some paracord, netting, more stuff to hold stuff on the bike, bungees, more of the same, right? Rope, more bungees. You know, if something breaks or something tries to fall off, it's nice to be able to hold it on. That way I'm not donating stuff to the highway. You know, that pretty much covers the tour pack. One thing I forgot about in the saddlebag, and I drop these in the bottom below the little bag, but in my saddlebag is where I keep the rest of my tools. I've got miscellaneous stuff that over time I found that I needed. Zip ties, I always need zip ties, channel locks, a little bit of everything. This is just started as a nice little economy toolkit, and then it became everything I could put in there. Once again, we've been on the side of the road before. We've had to make repairs, and when you got tools, usually you can get yourself to limp on down to the next stop. So I've gone through the saddlebag and the tour pack. Should be everything, right? No. So, reason why there's a luggage rack on top of the tour pack is you're gonna carry some luggage. Oh boy. Yes. More stuff. What do we got here? Probably overkill, but what the heck. So, it's my wife's leather jacket. We will be on the west coast, so it's going to get down in the 50s. That's pretty cold for us chaps. We're actually going to camp when we get to the buffalo chip. We're going to sleep on the ground, so there's a few extra things that we normally wouldn't pack, but got a couple of these Coleman sleeping bags, really small, compact, a whole lot better than sleeping on rocks. This is our tent. Tiny little thing. Just enough for both of us. Towels. Nice little compact towels. We picked these up at Walmart. Look how small it is. It's like a full-size towel. It's pretty cool. Oh, let's see. Given the fact that we're going to be in some remote areas, I've got this mobile jumper. Because if I get to a place, I want to be able to fire that thing back up. So I know it's big, overkill, but it just might help me. What else? Oh, we didn't see that. I do have one more pair of blue jeans. Those are my going to town blue jeans. My other ones are got more holes in this road out here, so that's going to be the first bag on the luggage rack. It's just the larger one. It's going to sit good and flat, good base foundation. Then the final bag that's going to sit on top of that is our little Harley bag. Once again, I'm sweating. Sorry, folks. This is where I put my Crocs. Oh, I'm not bringing leathers, but I will bring a hoodie. What else? Snacks. And in the side, I've actually got a pair of regular shoes. I'm going to wear some boots on the road just because I like to have a little extra protection. But when you get to town, it's nice to have a real pair of shoes. You might be saying, well, you sure are wasting a lot of space, but seems like every time we hit the road, we come back with a lot of stuff. So room to pack some things and bring it home. These bags are not waterproof, but in here is a trash bag, a large one that's going to cover both of these bags up for when we hit rain. And we'll hit rain, so always guarantee to hit rain. Probably missing some other things. We're rolling out on, today is Sunday, and we're going to roll out Saturday, so we're just getting everything tidied up and getting ready. We're going to show you guys before we roll out how we load our bike, how all this is going to fit on there, and you'll finally get to see the bike. So we're really excited, ready to go. I know, like most of you are. It's 2 weeks, 6,000 plus miles. We'll be at the Buffalo Chip one night, and once we get to Sturgis, and then the rest of that week we will be at Full Throttle Happy Hole Campground. We've makes 5 years in a row. We even went last year, so we always have a blast out there, and I know you will too. So hoping to see you out there. Come check us out, our new webs page. So we've got a new website, just got it loaded up, www.touringandtrails.com. We're going to try to keep some current content up, and where the rallies are, Jeep stuff. Even got a little blog going, so definitely when we're on the road, I want to keep you updated with where we're at and what we're doing. Probably won't have so many videos out on YouTube while we're on the road, but when we get back, we're going to share a lot of content because we will be shooting films. So more to come with that. So as the bugs are biting, yep. Well, thank you for joining us. Remember to subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up. Tells YouTube that you want to watch more. I think there's a bell. Hit the bell, whatever. But you know, we'll keep sending the videos out if you keep watching. I think we're up to 9 subscribers, up 1. Woohoo! Just shy of a goal of 10,000 this week. So maybe next week we'll get it up to 10,000. And so, anyways, thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.